Welcome back to another review. Today we're checking out the Hilton West Bay Doha. I was on a fishing trip to this beautiful country and this was our first stop. And arriving here was pretty amazing. It was lit up so beautifully. Definitely a very cool experience. Now, apart from wanting to stay at every single Hilton that exists, the other reasons for staying here were number one, direct access to the ocean with its own private beach, a big pool, a good breakfast, and also a good location being in West Bay. And as for the rooms, well, let's go check it out. Now here we are in the Hilton Doha in a twin room. This is the Hilton Doha West Bay. We will go to the Hilton Pearl too. But first let me show you this hotel. Now we arrive in quite late with a very friendly welcome, very nice staff. And this is the room. It's about 30 square meters, the man said. We were offered an upgrade to a king room with an extra bed, but I thought it's a bit over the top to make them do this at 3 o'clock in the morning. So we've just taken the room that we booked, which is an entry-level room. And that's good to know that they proactively offered an upgrade. Now let's have a look. We do have the usual UK style plug here. It's also the normal plug from, the normal plug you find here in Qatar. Two very nice beds. We've got a little, little chair and table there. Definitely a nice little work desk here. Here you got a little fridge. Simple. Here's a little amenity set. Lamp, mirror, comfortable looking chair. And let's go into the bathroom. The bathroom is almost the same size as the bedroom. Quite impressive. And yeah, very nice. Lovely. Now we're only here for one night, but we might be back again, depending. And the reason we're here is for fishing, which probably doesn't interest most of you who are watching this video, but we shall report to those who are interested whether we caught anything from shore here or not. So we will go and check out the rest of the facilities of this hotel tomorrow when the sun is shining and it is 30 degrees. Now there is one more thing that comes in this hotel room that is not very normal. Yes, this is what my friends are forced to do when I make these YouTube videos for you guys. So yeah, see you tomorrow. The next morning we were able to appreciate the amazing view that we had received with our room. Absolutely amazing way to start your holiday in Qatar. So as soon as we got ready, we decided to go and explore the hotel. First stop is the lobby, and I have to show you, this place is absolutely beautiful. We take some very cool photos here, but the sunshine and the warmth is what was really attracting us, and so we had to go straight outside and see what it was like. As you can hear, it was unexpectedly serene. Everything was just perfect, it was quiet, you could hear the birds twittering, the water was looking so inviting, and you could also see the ocean from the pool, which is another big bonus in my opinion. And here we can have a look at the beach. There were enough sunbeds for everybody, and the beach itself looked really nice and clean. The water itself was really clear, so I would say this is a very nice beach. There's also a dive center and shop with quite a few things in it, and just opposite this shop is where the Mawasam restaurant is and where breakfast is served. Walking in, the whole place looked beautifully lit, very clear, lots of places to sit and enjoy, and we were ready to dig in. So I think if people know what Dubai breakfast buffets are like, then they're kind of prepared for the extensive selection that you get. And I have to say that I was really happy with the selection here. My friend too. We both found the breakfast to be absolutely delicious. I particularly liked the scrambled eggs, and it was possible to have some omelettes and other stuff from the live cooking station. All the sweet stuff was really tasty too, even though we had claimed that we would try and lose some weight on this short fishing holiday. We did the exact opposite, but how could you? I mean, even the salad bar was so inviting, but so was everything else. And yeah, this was a really nice breakfast, and I don't think that anybody would not find something that they like here. Pretty comprehensive breakfast, I'd say. Something for everyone. And here is a look at the gym, which is somewhere you probably need to visit if you're staying at this hotel and indulging in breakfast. The gym is medium-sized, has quite a few machines. I didn't see any free weights, but there's probably enough exercise machines in here to keep you in shape, and you also have a beautiful view of the outside. Now, speaking of views, there is one more place that I must show you, and that is the Executive Lounge. And from up here, you get even more breathtaking views. Look at that. You can see all the way to Lusail, and you can also see many of the skyscrapers. I'm sure a room on the other side would be equally exciting, and just beautiful to see the ocean like that. The lounge itself is quite large, and as this was Ramadan, there were no, evening canapes or evening drinks or anything like that. In fact, in all over Qatar, there are no lounges serving alcohol in any of the hotels, so be aware of that. But in general, I would say it was really great having this executive lounge available, because we could get soft drinks at any time. We could enjoy the quiet. If one of us had to work, then I could come and, escape to this quiet little area. And I can imagine that they probably do serve some nice canapes if the breakfast is anything to go by. So yeah, I would definitely come back here, especially when they are using this executive lounge to its fullest. And all in all, I would say that this was a really good stay. Now, is this better than Hilton Doha the Pearl? Or how does it compare to the Waldorf Astoria? Well, you've got to check out next week's video. I've stayed now at quite a few hotels in Doha, and I'm going to be releasing lots of videos. So please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next week. And please don't forget to leave any comments if you have any questions.